Hi viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, you are in the right place. In this video, we will learn 1. What is accrual basis accounting? 2. What is cash basis accounting? 3. Difference between accrual basis and cash basis accounting. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our future videos. So let's get started. The basis for recording the transaction. Due to differences in the basis of accounting, homogeneous events are recorded in one organization but may not be recorded in another organization. There are two types of accounting. 1. Accrual basis accounting. 2. Cash basis accounting. What is accrual basis accounting? The guideline on accrual basis accounting is that transactions that affect the financial position of the institutions are recorded only when events take place. On this basis, it is recognized as income only when income is earned, even if cash is not received. Again, it is recognized as an expenditure only when the expenditure is incurred, even if the expenditure is not paid in cash. That is, the outstanding income and expenditure are also recognized as income and expenditure. Large companies perform accounting on an accrual basis. The accrual basis accounting is done on the basis of generally accepted accounting principles established on a modern accounting basis. Accrued and prepaid income and expenses are recorded in an accounting book according to accrual basis accounting. What is cash basis accounting? The guideline of cash basis accounting is that income is recorded only when cash is received and expenses are recorded only when cash is paid. On this basis, income is earned but it is not recorded if the cash is not received, and the expenditure is incurred but it is not recorded if the cash is not paid. In other cases, cash receipts and cash payments are recorded only in the event of an occurrence. Some small companies and government institutions perform accounting on a cash basis. The cash basis accounting is inconsistent with the generally accepted accounting principle. Tax accounting is prepared based on a cash basis accounting. Difference between accrual and cash basis accounting. The comparative difference between accrual and cash basis accounting is stated below. Difference 1. Accrual basis accounting. Income is recorded only when income is earned, even if cash is not received. On the other hand, cash basis accounting, income is recorded only when cash is received as an income. Difference 2. Accrual basis accounting. Expenditure is recorded only when expenditure is incurred, even if cash is not paid. On the other hand, cash basis accounting, expenditure is recorded only when cash is paid for expenditure. Difference 3. Accrual basis accounting, other transactions are recorded only as they occur, even if cash is not paid or received. On the other hand, cash basis accounting, other transactions are recorded only when cash is paid or received. Difference 4. Accrual basis accounting, consistent with generally accepted accounting principle. On the other hand, cash basis accounting, inconsistent with generally accepted accounting principle. I hope at the end of the video, you have learned about what is accrual and cash basis accounting, and the difference between accrual basis and cash basis accounting. If you want to learn more, please visit our official website, www.everythingaboutakcounting.info. Please subscribe to our channel to get the notification of our future videos. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.